Welcome to our lecture online. If you've ever wondered how we calculate the distance between any 2 points on a sphere, like on the Earth, we use a system called the geodesic. And we're going to try to develop that over the next few videos by going through a systematic approach of how to determine the distance between any 2 points on the Earth. So first what we're going to do is we're going to represent 1/8 of the full circle in the first quadrant right here. So we have the x, the y, and the z axis. So we have a section of a sphere representing the Earth, and we have 2 points on the surface. Let's call point A and point B, and then this would be the very center of the Earth. Now we can see that we can have 2 vectors from the very center of the Earth to point A on the surface of the Earth, and from the center to point B on the surface of the Earth. And then there's going to be an angle, let's call it alpha, between those 2 vectors. Now we're going to find the angle between those 2 vectors in terms of the position vectors. So what we can then use is, and maybe I'll do it over here, we can use the dot product. So we're going to take the position vector A, and we're going to multiply that via the dot product with position vector B. And by definition, that is equal to the magnitude of position vector A times the magnitude of position vector B times the cosine of the angle between them. And of course I used alpha, so you should use the same symbol for the angle alpha, because we need to use something different than theta and phi, which we're going to use later. Now notice that the position vector A, the length of that will be the radius of the Earth from the center to the surface. And we know that should be the same for A and B, so therefore we could write this as R, the distance from the center to the surface of the Earth, times R, times the cosine of alpha. In other words, that's equal to R squared times the cosine of alpha. And so that would be equal to dot product of position vector A and position vector B. So then finally, if I want to solve that for the angle, I can say that the cosine of the angle is equal to the dot product between the 2 position vectors divided by the radius of the Earth squared. And ultimately, if I want to find the angle, I need to take the inverse cosine of the dot product of position vector A with position vector B divided by the radius of the Earth squared. And that's not a very good R, so let me try that again. So the radius of the Earth square, like that. And that is how we find, how we find the angle between any 2 vectors pointing to any 2 points on the surface of the Earth. Then somehow, later on, we're going to have to try to find the distance, the shortest distance between those 2 points, realizing that those distances are indeed a calculation across the surface of a sphere. But we'll get to that in the next few videos. If you stay tuned, we'll show you how it's done.